Looking for a way to save water, cut down on your utility bills, and help the environment? A tankless toilet might be just what you need. Let's dive into how it works. How tankless toilets save water. Tankless toilets use significantly less water compared to traditional toilets. On average, they use just 1.0 to 1.28 gallons per flush GPF, while older models can use up to 7 GPF. Even newer, traditional toilets typically use around 1.6 GPF. This means you're flushing away much less water with every use, which adds up over time. Many tankless toilets also feature dual flush systems, one for liquid waste and a stronger flush for solids. This gives you even more control over water usage, letting you choose the right amount of water for the job. For eco-conscious homeowners, this is a game changer. By switching to a tankless toilet, you can save hundreds of gallons of water annually. How lower water usage leads to lower utility bills. The less water you use, the less you'll pay for it. It's simple. Fewer flushes, fewer gallons, lower water bills. For an average family of 4, switching to a tankless toilet could save up to 4,000 gallons of water each year. Over time, this translates into substantial savings on your water bills, often offsetting the initial investment in the toilet itself. But the savings don't stop there. In areas where water is scarce or expensive, every drop counts. By using a tankless toilet, you're helping conserve local water resources while keeping your bills down. And here's the bonus. Tankless toilets often have fewer parts that wear out, meaning lower maintenance costs. With no bulky tank to repair or replace, you'll spend less on repairs and enjoy more long-term saving. Additional benefits of tankless toilets. Tankless toilets don't just save water and money, they also offer durability and low maintenance. With fewer parts and no tank, these toilets are less likely to break down or need repairs. This means fewer headaches and less time spent on maintenance. While the upfront cost of a tankless toilet might be higher than traditional models, the long-term savings, thanks to reduced water usage and lower maintenance costs, make it a wise investment. You're not just saving money now, you're setting yourself up for fewer costly repairs and lower bills for years to come. In the end, the tankless toilet pays for itself. Tankless toilets offer a smart way to save water, cut your utility bills, and make your home more eco-friendly. Ready to make the switch? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.